At Woodcrafters, we have a couple things that follow their own unique process, and BioLife would certainly be one of these. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to clone an opportunity, and it's going to be most important again for Scott. So if we have a opportunity such as a BioLife that recurs several times or sometimes 20 times per year, it's very difficult to dedicate the time to go in and do the estimate individually per project, especially if that estimate is rather large or intricate. BioLife is this case exactly. So in order to save time, Scott is going to click on Opportunities. And you'll notice that that takes you to the Kanban screen. Now, the Kanban only has open opportunities. It does not have any closed opportunities. So in order to do that, he's going to want to click on List View, and he'll see all of the opportunities that we've ever actually quoted. And you can see whether or not we won it or lost it, or some of these are still in progress. So in order to do that, he's going to go find a BioLife. So in my case, I want to go find this BioLife St. Anne, Missouri. I'm going to click on this opportunity. Now, I want it to be known that when I first created this, the estimate that I used, I actually pulled in the drawings for the Morrow, Georgia job. So because I am creating a clone of an opportunity, the plans are actually from Morrow, Georgia. We're going to leave it as that for right now. Again, because of the fact that the BioLifes kind of change constantly, and really what we're going for is the materials that are associated with it, getting the majority of the projects in there so that we can start to bust it down by products, and also we need that grand total price. It would take a lot of time for me to go and do an estimate per BioLife, and it's kind of not required because we've already won the job. All right, so anyways, when he does that, he clicks on Opportunities, clicks on the project, and let me start over real quick. You go to List View, click on the project. That takes you to this page, and he's going to click Clone. This is the only point where you can clone a project is before it actually becomes a project. So we're going to click Clone. I'm going to name it. And again, we would call this test 123, whatever the BioLife is. Put in the address and click clone. So that will now show up here, and it may take a couple seconds. It's a big project. It's got lots of sheets in it, so it takes a couple minutes to refresh and get all those sheets processed. Still hasn't shown up. I'm going to go ahead and move this over into our bidding. Oh, and there it is. So that is now the clone of the BioLife St. Louis, which actually has the drawings from BioLife Morrow, Georgia.